Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're talking about how you can make money by doing balloon animals, temporary tattoos, magic shows, and etc. Hope you enjoy today's episode and find it helpful. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about a few different ways that you can make money fairly quickly by working from home. It may not seem like a feasible way to be able to work from home, but you should consider if you love entertaining children, then this might be perfect for you. First up is balloon animals. Balloon animals not only is entertaining to children, but can actually be entertaining to adults as well, because it does take a little bit of skill, but it's something that you can learn to do fairly simply and can entertain people for hours by doing. The little dogs and little different characters that you can create with balloons. And if you don't have experience with this, well then that's okay. Stick around because I have more information on that might just help you as well. Next up is temporary tattoos. Now you're thinking, how do you do temporary tattoos? Well, technically there is a couple different ways that you can do this. First up is the simplest way to do it, and that would be painting, just like face painting, which could be another business within itself as well. So we'll put that together. Temporary tattoos and face painting. Perfect opportunities, because now if you're doing temporary tattoos, the simplest way possible, it would be to paint it on like face painting, in which case it doesn't take a whole lot of skill and you can do it very quickly. Now, of course, you're going to have to travel to the different events or parties that your services will be needed at, but you can factor in that cost into what it is going to be charged to the people hiring you for your hourly or event cost rate. Now, other than doing the actual easy way of painting it on by hand, the other way to do temporary tattoos is to design them and then have them manufactured, just like the ones that we used to get when we were children at the grocery stores from within the quarter machines, the nickel machines, where you would put in a quarter, spin their knob, get your little temporary tattoo, go home, put it wherever you wanted with a little bit of water, peel it off, voila, you had a tattoo. There are actually manufacturers out there who will allow you to upload your own images and then have them printed off onto the temporary tattoo backing with instructions on how to apply them, just like the ones that we had when we were younger. And then you can turn around and sell those temporary tattoos individually in sets, or you could still be somebody that goes to parties or birthdays or holidays, school events, whatever it may be, and then you apply the tattoo yourself. And another option is to host magic shows. If you're somebody who likes doing sleight of hand and entertaining that way, magic shows is another good option for you to be able to make money. I know when I was younger, I really got into watching the different magicians do their tricks and try figuring out how they were done. And of course, I still am entertained by some of the newer magicians that we see on reality TV like America's Got Talent. But it's not as intriguing anymore because I have seen so many shows where they show exactly how a lot of those tricks are done. But that can still be a great way for you to be able to make some money from home yourself. So there is 4 different possibilities for you to be able to make money by entertaining children and adults through the various fun ways of entertainment: balloon animals, temporary tattoos, face painting, and magic shows. If you're interested in learning more about these 4 options, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, and you can check out my blog that has an article there on this exact topic and many others for you to be able to make money from home and online. You can also purchase a copy of my book, Income Booster: 100 Plus Businesses That You Could Start From Home and Ditch the 9 to 5. It is literally packed with tons of information, tips, tricks, strategies, and things to consider when working from home in the various different fields. No matter what your age or your situation, there is something in there that can help you start making money in as little as a few minutes from watching this video. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next time, thanks again for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. Have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll catch you in the next episode.